Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the data set that I got from the data logging of the power and the time of the solar system, which is data logged by the inverter power monitoring app. And this data set is digitized through a technique called image digitization, and I will upload a tutorial on that topic soon. So let's jump back into the main topic. So this is going to be the one plot of the monofacial system that was recorded on 8 January 2025. This is the time, and this is the normalized power to 10 kilowatt. So basically the monofacial system was 12.76 kilowatt, and I converted that system to 10 kilowatt. And this is the power vector. Okay, this is the power vector that is obtained from the image digitization of the power versus time curve that was available in the power monitoring app, and we did it using webplot digitizer. So now let me plot this and this graph. So basically this is the x-axis, this is the x-axis, this is the y, this is the y. I want to plot these four columns on a single graph. Like this is going to be the one graph, this is going to be the one graph, and I want to combine these four graphs in one plot, one single plot. How would I do that? Let me show you first of all in Excel, then I will show you the same procedure in OriginLab, which is kind of a new software maybe to some of you viewers. Okay, now let me copy this data set. So I have copied this data set in a new sheet because uh, I want the I want to prevent auto plotting. That is kind of a teasing function in Excel. So now I'm going to insert, and I'm going to select here, select data and add, and I'm going to first of all get MF uh, MF January 8, and I'm going to select MF January 8 and the x-axis of MF January 8 dataset. Okay, and then I'm going to select the y-axis of MF January 8 dataset. So let me copy this guy, and there we go. So now once again I'm going to add the BF January 8. This is going to be a title of the legend, and this is the x-axis of bifacial power and time data logging that is given by the inverter power monitoring app. And there we go. And um, let me select the y-axis of this data set, and let me plot the stuff here. So now this is kind of a plot that I got here. Okay, now let me plot the same graph in OriginLab. So this is the graphical user interface. Okay, so Excel has given us this graph. So I think something is messy in this graph. I don't know what is the problem. So that's why I would like to prefer OriginLab for plotting the same data set. So this graph, basically here it is. This is the monofacial plot and this is the bifacial plot, right? So I want to plot these two graphs, these two curves basically on the same figure or plot in OriginLab instead of doing it in Excel, because it is kind of a long procedure to select first of all this time, this y-axis, and then the legend, and again going to selecting the time x-axis and the P10 y-axis. So this is kind of a teasing task. So let's go to the OriginPro, and this is the graphical user interface of OriginPro, right? So I'm going to add two more columns. So use Control D command to add two more columns, and there we have it. And now uh, this is going to be okay. So this is going to be the XY and XY vector, because in that sheet this is the x-axis of the second plot, right? This time axis in HHMM format, and this is power is on the y-axis, right? So this is the power, right? If you scroll down, and you will see some numbers that are in fractions, but in the graph these are shown in the as a whole number, right? So so this should have the x-axis, there should not be y axis, so set as x-axis, right? So now this is the xy, okay, so this is the xy and this is the xy. So we will call this whole sheet as xy vector, right? So now I'm going to add the data set here. Okay, so I'm going to add the whole data set here, and we have it. There we have it. So we will compare the first row and 0.619. Yeah, okay, everything is okay, fine. Now this is the time for MF, basically the monofacial time, right? And I will give it January 8, and similarly I will expand the column like this, and now I'm going to the power MF and January 8, right? So similarly I will give these two columns as names like them, but I will just substitute M with B to make it bifacial, right? So similarly, there we have it. Now just you have to select the whole sheet, right? The whole data set. You don't have to select the x-axis separately, y-axis separately, and give the legend name, and then like we did in Excel, that was kind of teasing and time consuming. So I'm going to select the whole data set and go to plot and go to line, and I think something went wrong. Let me fix that. Okay, so actually the problem was that I mistakenly did not add the total number of rows for the bifacial data set, right? So I added the whole data set, and now I'm clicking the whole data set, and now I'm going to plot, and there we have it. So this is the plot for the January monofacial January 8 power and power versus time. So this guy, and basically we can see monofacial is dominating over the bifacial, and both solar systems are of 10 kilowatt. So we normalized both systems to 10 kilowatt. So basically actually the monofacial system was 12.76 kilowatt, and that was 7.6 kilowatt monofacial, bifacial, and then I converted both of them to 10 kilowatt system, and now I can see that monofacial is dominating over the bifacial. So this is kind of a power comparison, right? So now I'm doing some formatting, right? So just double click this x-axis and select the time format and click apply, right? Now go to I'm going to remove these minor ticks. So you can see these minor ticks, yeah. So these minor ticks, so I'm going to remove these, apply, and now I'm going to title and format, and I'm going to give it a title So this is going to be the time HHMM. So you can see I went to the title and format tab and I selected the bottom, and now I'm giving it a title. Now when I will apply this command, then this will be replaced. Yeah, so you can see that. Now I'm going to top and I am checking this show and axis ticks option, and now um, I'm going to add the monofacial versus bifacial power comparison. Yeah, January 08 2025. Yeah, so I'm going to delete the major and minor ticks. Yeah, if I do not delete them, if I do not make them none, then you can see uh, you know something strange will happen. Let me show you both out. Now you can see these major ticks. Yeah, I don't want these major ticks, so I will click none. Yeah, so there we have it. Now I'm going to right. Yeah, sorry, I'm going to left. So this is the left line, that's kind of vertical. Now I'm giving it a title. So originally it is automatically written power MF January 8. Now I'm giving it power in kilowatts, right? Simple. So there we have it. And now click apply. Yeah, so I think everything is fine. No, the right vertical line is not added, so I'm going to apply it, and now you can see the whole four borders. Now I will bring this guy here. Yeah, so this legend here, and now I will click this guy and go to make it bold and increase the size to 24. Yeah, so now I'm going to properties, and here I will change it to uh, monofacial only. Okay, similarly I will replace percentage 2 with bifacial. Yeah, so okay, and now our legend is edited. And now I will fix it here. Now you can see everything is fine. Yeah, so I will click this curve, and I will go to line, and I will keep the style as solid, and I will increase the width to 2 and apply. So you can see it is kind of bolded, and it's looking pretty now. So and now I want to combine the graphs of January 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So how I will do that, let me show you. So now I want to combine these guys. uh, uh, Let me find, yeah, January 5, January 6, January 7 and January 8. So these four graphs should be combined in one single figure, right? So how I will do that, let me show you. Okay, so this guy is MF January 8. Yeah, this is 7 and this is 6 and this is 5. Now I'm going to add the label. So this is going to be labeled as A. So this is basically the part A of the figure that is containing the four plots, right? So now I will make it bold, and I will increase the size of this guy to maybe 36. Yeah, so let me select here 36. It's looking pretty. I will bring it kind of you know a bit above. Yeah, so now okay, now I will do the same for January 6. I will select this text option, text tool option, and I will left click here. Yeah, and I will select the bracket and give it B, and make it bold and increase its size up to 36. It's looking pretty. Now I will bring it slightly above of its position, and there we have it. Now do the same practice for 7 and 8. Okay, so I have done the same practice for 7 January. I have given it C label, and for 8 January I have given it D label. Now as you can see, this is the working space, yeah, and this is the working directory that is defined uh, when I first downloaded the OriginPro, and I have saved everything in my documents origin user files, right? So now I'm going to give uh, some other commands now. Okay, so this guy is done. Okay, everything is okay, formatting is done, these graphs are looking pretty. Now I will select this guy and I will minimize from here, restore down. Okay, so now you can see a lot of graphs here, yeah, 7, 6 and January 8. Okay, so I have multiple sheets opened here. I will minimize them. I will minimize this guy, I will minimize this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. Now I have D, okay, so C, B, and A. Okay, so all these graphs are looking great. Now I'm going to do some formatting. So I will do some formatting in order to prevent this gray space. I will drag it like this, you know. Okay, I will bring it here. Okay, I will bring it here. Sorry, I will bring the A file, the graph number A. So basically this A, I will bring it on the top left corner. Yeah, so let me give it a quick formatting like this. This is too small. Yeah, this is okay. Now I will do the same for B, because B should be on the top right corner. Okay, so okay, that's great. Let's bring it here. Yeah, so I think these are looking exactly same. Yes. Okay, so let's do the same practice for C. So C should be like it's almost no this. So I will decrease this gray area by dragging it here. Yeah, and I will increase its size, and okay, I have to decrease its size in order to fit the graph which is labeled as C. Okay, and let's drag it here. Let's drag this guy here. Yeah, that's okay, that's all okay. And the remaining D guy, which is the power and time curve for the monofacial and the bifacial solar systems, uh, which has a capacity of 10 kilowatts, and these are giving like monofacial is giving like 6.9 or maybe 7.1. So it's difficult to see because its size is kind of small. So D will come at the uh, bottom right corner, and C has taken its place as bottom left corner. Yes, so now I will go to graph, this option, and I will merge the graph windows and open dialog. So now it is opening. Sorry, it has accumulated all the previous graphs too. So I have to do some editing here and make it specified. Yes, I will make it specified. So you can combine multiple graphs. So you can see here there are like 12 graphs combined at a moment on the single page, and these will be printed very easily, but it is kind of difficult to see, so most of the researchers prefer to combine four graphs on a single figure and give them A, B, C and D label to call the certain graph in the uh, comments and discussion below these graphs in the discussion and conclusion topic. Yes, so now I will minimize it and I will see the numbers of these graphs. So basically the top left graph should be on the top, and this graph should be below graph 6, and graph 7 should be below graph 8, and graph 9 should be below graph 8. Yeah, uh, like graph 7 should be above graph 8, and uh, graph 8 should be above graph 9 in order to give the same formatting A, B, C, D. Yes, so I will just remove this guy because it is not present here in our formatting. Yeah, graph 6, 7, 8, 9 are present, so I will remove this guy too. I will remove this guy 4, 2. Yeah, so also I will remove graph 5, so I will bring it at the top, graph 6, 7, 8, 9. So everything is fine. Now come to the next option and it will be updated. Yes, A, B, C, D. That's perfect. Now you can see, if I try to show you by expanding this figure, so you can see this title is overlapping with the x axis of the graph A. So I have to increase the vertical. So this is the vertical distance between two graphs. So I have to increase this vertical distance. So I will increase the horizontal gap in order to prevent any kind of mess between these two graphs and these two graphs. So I will increase it to 8. Yeah, right, and I will press tab and come to the next option, that is vertical gap, and this is going to be I will give it 9. Yeah, so you can see now these graphs are kind of pretty separated, and nothing is overlapping, and you can see this is January 6, and this is January okay, so I think the numbering is kind of same. Yeah. Um, okay. So January 5. Sorry. Okay. You have to add here a January 5 graph. So this guy. Let me click OK here, and let me generate. Yeah, so this is generated, but I did some mistake here. I did not add the January 5 graph, I think so, but doesn't matter. You have understood the procedure. Yeah, so now I will save this data set. So basically this should be January 5. Yeah, it is written January 5 because it is kind of small, so that's why I could not see that. So now I will export this page. Yeah, and I will give it a name as bifacial and monofacial January 5 to uh, January 8, right? So these four graphs on a one page. Now I will preview the stuff, so you can see these beautiful graphs. Yeah, this is January 5. I was getting confused because of the small fonts of the figures. Yeah, so you can drag and drop, and you can see there is a significant gap between this title and this X label of graph number B. Yeah, this guy. So now click OK, and this is saved into my working directory, the same directory that I showed you before. And now I'm going to documents, and I'm going to this guy, and now, yeah, so there we have it. So congratulations, we have combined four graphs on a one page, right? So this guy, that's looking so pretty, yeah. But the legend got some, mistake, so we can fix that. Yeah, so we can go to the OriginLab graphical user interface, and we can drag them to our desired location, and then again go to the export page and export the stuff. And you can even change the working directory, yeah. So you can change this working directory by giving the folder path. So let me show you how to do that. So this is the bifacial data. So let me give it a folder directory, so it will come here, yeah. So I will give it here, and I will click OK, and it will be saved to that desired location. But I will not do that because I want all of the origin files to be saved in the origin files folder that is saved in my documents. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you soon in the image digitization and other data analyst and analytics, data science, machine learning, and data visualization tutorials. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.